Let's put our living stereo stylus in this groove.
Hello folks, how are we doing? Hope we're well. Welcome to another video here on my channel. And it's an absolutely glorious day. Afternoon in fact. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon. So another regular Friday after work bike ride. Look at that sky. There's barely any wind. Really feels like spring is here at last. Short ride, short video today. Maybe about 2.5 hour ride or something like that. Because tomorrow and Sunday I'm going to try and I am going to do a 100km ride on Saturday. And the same again on Sunday, straight afterwards. Well, not straight afterwards, you know what I mean. The next day. The weather is exceptional for the end of February. Normally this time of year, be sleet and snow. Temperatures just hovering above freezing. We had that at the beginning of the month, didn't we? Hopefully that's all behind us. And we've got long days, sunny days, dry days, with very few rainy days to look forward to. Nearly at the top of Bealsby Rise. Well, as you know, I can see I'm on my cube today. Kind of doing the Thorganby to Louth route today, and then back again along the flat, the Lincolnshire coast. But for now, as you can probably hear, I've been pushing it hard. Coming to the turning with Croxby on the left, and after that it's the Thorganby climb. What a difference a couple of weeks makes in the weather. So yes, this is my cube. If you haven't seen it before, it's the Cube Agri Pro. So that last hour, half an hour after dark, if it takes me that long, the sun will be down and your temperatures drop like a stone, don't they? I know this morning it was frosty, and the same again tomorrow morning as well, at the beginning of my latest 100 miler of 2021. Day one, I'm going to be heading to Gainsborough. Of course not in a straight line, Ricky style. And then Sunday I'm heading over the North Bank because I haven't been over there for a while, so we're going across the Humber Bridge and heading to Beverley and winding my way back via the Wolds at the end. That's the Lincolnshire Wolds. I've not got any Yorkshire Wolds in this weekend's activities. Well, I'll have to put that in the next few weeks and months because I've not explored the Yorkshire Wolds as much as I probably should have. Hope you've had a great week. Hope you've managed to get out riding. And those of you who follow me on Strava will have noticed I've been out in the mornings. 3 rides before work this week. After months of not doing anything in the mornings, apart from walking and the occasional run. By occasional, being twice. So yeah, I'm really trying to get in the habit of getting up early in the mornings again. Bed early, up in the morning, get an hour's riding in, start work. Of course this week I've had that big announcement from Boris when you can start opening places. And I think it's April 12th is the day. Overnight stays. Although it says self-contained. So I think that means no camping, just caravans, hotels and things. So of course where there's a will there's a way. And the loophole I'm going to use is wild camping, self-contained. So I think it's to do with toilets and stuff like that, and wash basins and things. I'm pretty sure this isn't over-exaggerating too much, but it feels really good with the weather's like this. It feels liberating almost to go out riding without any gloves on. And I've opted for 3/4 bibs. Absolutely love them, absolutely love them. I'm a convert now. Heading up towards Forganby, which is a mile and a quarter away, that's the village. But some a couple of climbs, you think you're done, and then there's another giant climb as well. And less said about it the better, but I had a puncher there last week, didn't I? So yeah, I'm going to get, there's 3 climbs actually in total. I'm going to avoid the third one, go right, and then it's like a little back lane. Hopefully it shouldn't be too bad around there, which brings you out at Swinehope and heading towards Caister from there. Just smashed it, going through Caister, heading towards Kelstern via Limber Hill, where I'm going to stop for that view I've shared with you the last 2-3 videos. Well, the last 2-3, but a few times this winter, taking in, breathing that view. And I tell you what's happened to my Sonder. Don't worry, it's good news. There she is, Limber Hill. Could drag yourself up there. Absolutely stunning view, I love it. Seen it all seasons. I'm sure I've told you that before, but especially over there with this sun just shining on it, and just in the foreground, the shadows of the trees over there. It's just the contrast between the sun and in the shade is, I'd say, amazing. It's so white as well, just me, and attracted me off in the distance. So I was going to tell you about the Sonder, wasn't I? It's with John the bike mechanic at Humberson Cycle Shop and Repairs. I'll stick a link down below the video to his Facebook page. He does a great job. He looked at a bike before this season. I think it was the, can't remember what the issue was, but I took my cube to him just before Christmas time. So we're picking that up this evening or tomorrow, depending on whether he's going out partying tonight. I doubt it. Who can party in the lockdown? Nobody's partying, are there? So yeah, so we're picking that up. What's that done to it? You're probably thinking. Change rings have been changed, the outer and the inner. New chain, which is life's been shortened because of the sharp teeth on the outer ring. Bottom bracket has been changed as well. Probably not that sort of TLC. Cassette's staying on because it's not too bad. That will stay on for a little bit longer. Nearly give him some brake pads. Decided too soon. They feel okay, but they'll no doubt be coming off. Been changed in April or something like that. So yeah, I won't say I'm itching to get my bike back. I'll be glad to get my bike back. I'm probably going to ride this bike on my first 100 mile ride tomorrow to Gainsborough, because I haven't given my cube much love over the last few months or so. So I'm gonna look after this bike tomorrow and then go on the Sonder on Sunday when I go to Beverley. So yeah, absolutely beautiful spot this. That's Limber Hill down there towards Caister in the distance, and I've got Kelson well over there. Another hill to go down and then creep up out again, and then gonna head east towards the coast and off the Wolds until another day. So hope you enjoyed this one. Any questions? Hope you've got some plans for the weekend. If you'd like to share them with me, feel free to head into the comments. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye. Wow, can't believe it's 4:45 and it's still bright. Yes, 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 yes.